Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In this tutorial we are going to learn about the join command. So let's start with this tutorial. When you open your Autocad software, you'll see this modify panel here. If you go to this modify panel and click on this drop down, then here you'll find this join command. Now join command is used in two ways. We'll see how to use this command. For that, first we'll take a line here and we'll take another line. Now suppose if I want to join both these lines, we use join command. You can take this join command either from this modify panel, or shortcut command for join is J. Say enter. Now click this line, click on this line and say enter. Now both the lines are joined, and if you click on this will be a single line. Now another use of this join command is you can use this join command to convert a simple line into a polyline. We'll see how to convert it. We'll draw an object here by using a simple line. We'll take line command and we'll draw an object here. Now we'll take the join command, give shortcut command J, enter, select this object and say enter. Now if you click on this will become a single object. This will become a polyline here. Similarly, I'll draw another object here. If I want to make this as polyline, then give join command, select this object and say enter. This will become a polyline. So hope you all understood how to use this join command. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.